storage, we have data types. Data types will play a vital role. It has a like different types of data, and different type of data will store different kind of it will handle different type of data. For example, string, integer, list, tuple, and like different type of data can do different things, right? For example, in Python we have integer, float, complex, bool, string. So for example, integer, float, and complex are numeric data types. When it comes to bool, it is like boolean value, like true or false. Str is a string, it is text type, letters. We have few more like list, tuple, set, dictionary. Apart from this, apart from this, we have range, frozen, set, bytes, bytes array, and memory view. Some mistake is there. Byte array, yeah, there is no s in between this one. So in Jupyter Notebook, whenever you type certain data type, it will automatically change the color. List, tuple, and I can say like a range falls in the sequence type. So I'll make a note of that one. I'll give you a clean description about that one. So initially we'll take this one. And set and frozen sets are set types. Again, coming to the range, it's a sequence type. And bytes and byte array and memory view, these three belongs to the binary type. Okay, this one frozen set is set type. Range comes under sequence type, and dictionary comes under mapping, key and value. Set is again set type. Tuple list range falls under same sequence type, and this one also list also sequence type. In general, whenever we are handling like discussing about the data types, main like agenda, like we'll discuss about the top 9. These are the integer, float, complex, bool, string, list, tuple, set, and dictionary. We'll discuss about the range, frozen set, bytes, and byte array and memory view also. So as I mentioned, integer, float, complex, bool, string, list, tuple, and set, and dictionary. And in Python, every data type is in Python language is internally implemented as class, and we have two types of data types, like fundamental data types and collection data types. When it comes to the fundamental data types, we have integer, float, complex, bool, and string. And the same way, in collection data type, we have list, tuple, and set, dictionary. Dictionary again comes into the mapping also. So we need to be like a little bit make sure that what we are representing here, okay, this will fall under collection data types and this will fall under fundamental data types. And we also call some of the data types mutable and immutable. Integer and float, complex, bool, and string falls under immutable data types, and list, set, a dictionary falls under mutable. Again, my tuple also falls under immutable. But when my tuple objects internally, if it has any list, that particular object elements may be mutable and remaining objects are immutable. So I'll explain about this one, each and everything in detail. So in general, as of now, we will discuss about 9 data types more in detail.